The goal with this activity is to really torch the abs. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna start on quadruped on elbows position, so I'm gonna have my stance width about this far, so my elbows are a little wider than shoulder width apart, hands are flat, and I'm resting on my knees, just like so. From here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just gently press your kneecaps into the ground. You're gonna reach your arms nice and long without crunching. From here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna exhale, that way you get a little bit of ab tension. And then maintaining this position, you're gonna do a walkout. And so for the walkout, you wanna just walk your forearms forward. As you do that, your hips are gonna come along for the ride, and your abs will get destroyed in the process. It's gonna look like this. Kneecaps, reach, exhale, walk it out. Just like that. Then bring it back. Make sure you're breathing throughout this process. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.